Today we'll explore 7 simple yet powerful techniques to help you cultivate mindfulness and reclaim your sense of inner calm. First technique, breath awareness. Our journey begins with the breath, the foundation of mindfulness. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits your body. With each inhale, imagine breathing in relaxation and peace. And with each exhale, release any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Second technique, body scan meditation. Next, let's bring awareness to the body through a body scan meditation. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, allow yourself to relax and release any tension you may be holding on to. By bringing awareness to the sensations in your body, you can cultivate a greater sense of relaxation and ease. Third technique, mindful eating. Now let's explore the practice of mindful eating. Take a moment to appreciate the food in front of you. Notice the colors, textures, and aromas. As you take each bite, chew slowly and savor the flavors. Pay attention to how the food nourishes your body and brings you joy. Mindful eating allows us to connect more deeply with our food and cultivate a greater sense of gratitude. Fourth technique, gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling is a powerful practice for cultivating mindfulness and positivity. Take a few moments each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a beautiful sunset or a kind gesture from a friend. By focusing on the things we're grateful for, we can shift our perspective and cultivate a greater sense of happiness and fulfillment. Fifth technique, loving kindness meditation. Now let's practice loving kindness meditation. Close your eyes and bring to mind someone you love deeply. Repeat the following phrases silently to yourself. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Extend these wishes of love and compassion not only to your loved one but to yourself and all beings. Loving kindness meditation helps us cultivate a sense of connection and compassion towards ourselves and others. Sixth technique, nature immersion. Nature has a way of grounding us and bringing us back to the present moment. Take some time each day to immerse yourself in nature. Whether it's going for a walk in the park, sitting by a river, or simply gazing at the stars, allow yourself to be fully present and connect with the natural world around you. Nature immersion can help us find peace and clarity amidst the chaos of daily life. Seventh technique, digital detox. Finally, let's explore the practice of digital detox. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to become overwhelmed by constant notifications and distractions. Take regular breaks from your devices and engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Whether it's reading a book, practicing yoga, or spending time with loved ones, disconnecting from technology allows us to reconnect with ourselves and find true inner peace. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering mindfulness. Remember, these techniques are simple yet powerful tools that can help you cultivate a greater sense of inner peace and clarity in your life. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can transform your relationship with yourself and the world around you. I wish you peace, happiness, and abundance on your path to mindfulness. Thank you for watching. Until next time, and remember, mind yourself.